Hi, I'm Elizabeth with Team Power Systems. I'm going to walk you through the steps of how to perform routine maintenance on a barbell. You might notice over time that the sleeves on the end don't spin as fast as they used to when it was brand new. So I'm going to walk you through the process. It's only going to take about 5 minutes. Here I've got the Power Systems 15 kilogram hybrid bar. I'm going to show you how to take the sleeve off. We're going to clean up the internal rotational components as well as the bar inside. We're going to add an additional layer of oil inside to help lubricate. Then we're going to put it all back together and it's going to spin just as good as new. Here's some of the tools that you're going to need for the process. A pair of snap ring pliers, steel wool, a coarse sandpaper block, 3-in-1 oil. You can also use WD-40 or lithium grease, and a lint-free cloth.
Begin by inserting the snap ring pliers into the grip locations of the outer and inner snap rings to carefully remove them from the end of the sleeve. Be sure to lay the parts neatly off to the side in the order in which they are removed. Slightly agitate the bar and sleeve and slowly slide the sleeve back to expose and remove the end cap. Slide the sleeve back a little further to expose and remove the washer and half-moon shaped spacer. Push the sleeve back one more time to expose the bushing bearing and remove. Now you are free to slide the entire sleeve off the end of the barbell. Next, grab the steel wool and gently remove any rust or debris from the bar, as well as the inside of the sleeve openings. Use a sandpaper block to remove any rough spots the steel wool might have left behind. Apply the 3-in-1 oil, WD-40, or lithium grease to the section of the bar that will be positioned under the sleeve. Spread with a lint-free cloth. There should be a shiny, oily residue left on the bar. Grab the barbell sleeve and apply a small amount of lubricant to the openings on either side before sliding it back onto the bar. You'll want to leave about 3 inches at the end of the bar exposed to start adding the rotational components back to the bar. Return the bearing first, followed by the spacer and washer. Then slide the sleeve toward the end of the barbell over the bearing and washer until you feel a hard stop and the sleeve will no longer move. Replace the end cap, pressing in firmly to leave only enough room for the snap rings. Replace the inner snap ring against the end cap and leave enough room for the outer snap ring. Make sure to position the grip locations of the snap rings opposite one another to make it easier to find and remove them in the future. Give the sleeve 1 or 2 spins to allow the oil to coat the inside.
All you have to do now is simply repeat this process on the other side. Barbell maintenance should be performed annually or as often as needed. Thanks for watching.